On March 2, 2026, the President of Trinidad and Tobago declared that a state of public emergency exists due to actions threatening public safety. This declaration took effect on March 3, 2026. Following this, the Emergency Powers Regulations 2026 were issued to address the situation. It is crucial that every citizen understands their rights and obligations under these new laws. Here are some things you must know about these regulations. Number 1. Police officers have broad powers to stop and search anyone in a public place if they suspect the person possesses weapons, ammunition, or prohibited articles. Number 2. The police can enter and search any premises, vessel, or vehicle without a warrant. They are authorized to use force if necessary to conduct these searches. Number 3. You can be arrested without a warrant if a police officer suspects you are acting or are about to act in a manner prejudicial to public safety. Number 4. If arrested, you can be detained for inquiries for up to 48 hours. A magistrate or a police officer not below the rank of assistant superintendent can extend this detention for up to 7 additional days. Number 5. Bail is severely restricted. No bail will be allowed for individuals held under a preventive detention order, detained for inquiries, or if a magistrate believes the person is likely to engage in further offenses. Furthermore, the writ of habeas corpus does not apply to those denied bail under these provisions. In simpler terms, this means that if someone is denied bail under these rules, they cannot use the legal process of habeas corpus, which normally allows a person to challenge their detention in court to try to get released. Number 6. The military now has police powers. The Defense Force has been called to assist the Commissioner of Police, and soldiers will exercise the same powers as police officers while doing so. Number 7. There is a strict rule regarding your associations. If you are found in the company of someone who unlawfully possesses a weapon or explosive, the law presumes you intend to act in a manner prejudicial to public safety, which is a criminal offense. Number 8. The minister can issue preventive detention orders. This means an individual can be detained simply if the minister is satisfied it is necessary to prevent them from acting prejudicially to public safety. Number 9. The Commissioner of Police is authorized to restrict your movements, dictate your place of residence, and impose curfews by prohibiting you from being out of doors between specified hours without a written permit. Number 10. The penalties for breaching these regulations are severe. Anyone who commits an offense under these regulations is liable on summary conviction to a fine of $100,000 and imprisonment for 5 years. Beyond these points, there are other noteworthy parts of the regulations you should be aware of. The President can make further orders to control ports and transport, appropriate property, or require individuals to perform work or render services. If the government compulsorily takes possession of your property, they must pay compensation. Additionally, anyone driving a vehicle must stop if required to do so by a police officer in uniform. The regulations contain specific protections and limitations. For instance, any search of a female must be conducted by another female. Also, making statements or possessing items intended to influence public opinion in a manner prejudicial to public safety is strictly prohibited. Finally, the courts have the power to exclude an accused person from their own trial if they interrupt the proceedings to the point of making the trial impracticable. Please stay safe, stay informed, and ensure you comply with all lawful instructions from law enforcement during this period. I would appreciate it if you could share this video to inform others about their rights and responsibilities under the state of emergency regulations.